my channel CodeWithRomi, and in today's video I'll show you how to store user data in Firebase after someone creates an account using a simple HTML and JavaScript form. So this will be a beginner-friendly project, no backend will be required, and we're just going to be utilizing the previous code that we made in our other video. You can go back to that video as well. We made a login form. Now today we're going to be creating a register form and then authorize it to make sure that that registration works when we log in with the user created. So if you guys already have the previous file open, downloaded or whatever, we're going to just create a copy of that file here. But before we do so, we want to ensure that everything is set up in the back end here. Not necessarily database wise, but just to understand what we're doing. So we're going to be using the Firebase Realtime Database setup checklist. It will be posted here, so you guys can pause the video, take your time and go look. You ensure that you go back to the Firebase Console, you open your project that we already made from your previous video, you click build, and we go to Realtime Database. Now, you can go ahead and click Create Database and choose your own region, whatever it might be. You select Start in Test Mode for learning, which is going to be temporary access. Or if you're using this professional, this is up to you. But just for the sake of this video, this is what we're going to be doing. And you're going to copy the database URL from the project settings and paste it into your Firebase config in the script.js file that we'll be making. But we're using the one from our previous video, so you already have the comments in there as to where each file is supposed to go. You may also have the script there already. You might just need to add one or two more lines. So use the Firebase.database reference to write user data. Alright, so let's continue. Quick Easter egg. I'm a huge anime fan. Can you tell me which character this is on the screen? Leave it in the comments below, let me know. Alright, so as I mentioned, we're going to be using the previous code from our last video here, so the video is going to be rather short. We just want to add a couple more fields. So what we're doing here, we're going to change the title from login to register, which is what the form was for the last video. We're going to keep the styling the same, nothing will be changed there. As it relates to the body of the code here, we're going to change the form login to create an account. So we're not going to have the login anymore, we're going to just use it to create an account, which is what we're going to be using to register. We're also going to add another section of the form for the registration. So now we're going to have the username, email, password, the login button, as well as the message being displayed. On our previous, I believe we had no username, it was just email and password and the login. So just added the username form here, and that's basically what we did. Now for the script, we're only going to add the script for Firebase database that can be below. That link you'll be getting from your console. You can copy and paste it and make sure that you link your script.js file here to the same code. As for what needs to be edited in that section, all the templates have the comments as to what is needed to be entered there, so you can just copy and paste directly from your Firebase console into the script.js file so we can run it. So this is just using the form. I have both of them open. I have our login and our create from the last video as well. So we're going to create a username. I'm going to just use my name here, CodeWithRomi. So here we got the notification saying account created and the data is saved. So we're just going to use the login form to make sure that everything works properly. So the email is accurate and the password works and we're able to log in successfully. And that is it. You've just built a working user registration form that not only creates accounts but also saves user data into Firebase Realtime Database. Now, if this helps you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out my Fiverr or Upwork links if you would like help with your own Firebase or JavaScript project. I'll see you in the next video, and this is Code with Romi.